Axie Infinity fundamentally shows negative force throughout the end of the week, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of Axie Infinity most certainly has fallen by 533% in the past 24 hours in a by and large significant manner. As far as Axie support floor, it generally is currently 10.21, which basically is very critical. Axie sort of has its, especially next opposition at $11.87 in an exceptionally large manner. 18 Walk 2024. In this video, we will by and large walk you through Axie Infinity cost examination for now, or for the following week, and fundamentally attempt to answer these much of the time basically clarified some things facts, what in every practical sense is momentary cost expectation for Axie Infinity, especially as Axie for the most part wise venture, or so they essentially thought. Axie Infinity support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they thought. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Axie specialized examination, fundamentally let us basically discuss the sort of current economic situations. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $2 548, 785, 447, 775 in a very significant manner. The especially absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at $138, 539, 18, 19th and 80, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a strength of 16.33%, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67, 617.35 level after a decay of 92%, sort of additional appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.18% of the entry market while Ethereum, for the most part, has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 3% coming to $3 518.14 during the past 24 hours in a genuinely enormous manner. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period, which sort of is very huge. BNB, the local coin of BNB, really is somewhere around 376 and presently exchanging at $555.36, or so they truly thought. Moreover, XRP came to 0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 179% in esteem, showing that the essentially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $138, 539, 819, 380 in a sort of significant manner. These occasions especially show that the market truly is going in a descending bearing for commonly present moment, which really is very critical. As of now, a general most certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting what basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 to 617.35 level after a decay of 0.92%. Genuinely further appearance how Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, which truly is very critical. Axie Infinity backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3 518.14 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases truly become kind of more by and large dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 184%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $2 548, 785, 447, 775. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers generally become move truly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in a genuinely huge manner. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Axie Infinity Axie Infinity execution, the kind of everyday outline of Axie Infinity. Generally shows that the Axie cost generally has a genuinely descending development with a 533% diminishing in lovely beyond 24 hours, which especially shows that Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in an exceptionally enormous manner. The value worth of the Axie Infinity Axie coin explicitly is remaining at 10 to 2023 with market capitalization $452, 653 USD, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie cost changes 8 to 4% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume especially is floating around $73, 375, 103 as US. So the sort of complete exchanging volume especially remains at $138, 539, 819, 380 in a significant manner. Axie Infinity Value Examination Acts Cost Investigation for 18 Walk 2024 inside a by and large day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of underneath, which most certainly is very critical. We utilize sort of relative strength indexacy, moving fundamentally normal union, and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving exceptionally normal SMA and dramatic moving in every way that really matters, normal AMA to break down the future development of the Axie Infinity, especially further appearance how while distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10, following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period, which essentially is very critical. The prompt opposition for Axie truly is fundamentally found at $11.87, and a breakout from this level could especially leads towards the truly next obstruction, which can truly be by and large found at $12.64, showing how the all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $138, 539, 819, 380, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. On the very other hand, in the event that the bear in every practical sense, assumed command and Axie value sort of neglects to essentially break out above $11.87, it could fall back towards the vital help at 10.21. So Axie in every way that really matters has its kind of next opposition at $11.87 in a fundamentally significant manner. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, or so they sort of thought. Axie Infinity financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the truly everyday outline. Especially further appearance how Axie Infinity Value Examination Acts Cost Investigation for 18 Walk 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of underneath, or so they in every way that really matters thought. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and in every way that really matters is attempting to, for the most part, break out of the negative zone while featuring huge negative strength, showing how BNB, the kind of local coin of BNB by and large, is somewhere near 376, and as of now exchanging at $555.36 in an especially significant manner, while Axie's Williams percent R marker by and large is at 61,794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal generally is somewhat conceivable at this reach, so Axie explicitly has its sort of next opposition at $11.87, or so they for the most part thought. Ends the worth of Axie in every practical sense, is persistently unloading, yet it sort of is normal that help levels at 10.21 and $9.32 will go about as significant focuses and truly skip the pattern line in the bullish zone, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking.